Hi, I'm Garrett with the Grit and Polish, and today I wanted to show you how you can make a brass star out of 1/8 inch brass rod. You can get it at any hardware store, and this is a cool way to make your own shapes or other decor that you might like to hang up in your house, maybe on a wreath or Christmas tree. Kathy asked me to make a brass star. She couldn't really find anything online that was, readily available, and so I said, I will make you one. So here we go. To do this, I'm gonna use a template. I just made this star in Illustrator. This is a free download from the Grit and Polish, so check that out in the post. I'm gonna also use this Bernzomatic torch to heat up the brass rod to make a nice finished loop to actually hang the star from. And then here's the brass rod. It's just 1/8 inch by 3 feet long, and this is pretty much available at like your local Ace hardware store, other hardware store. So step one is to get your plywood and your template down, put a screw into each vertice, and then secure the brass rod to the first starting point. Here I'm using vice grips. You could use any kind of clamping mechanism to hold the brass rod in place, and then bend it around the screws as you make the shape. Once you've gone all the way back to the starting point, you can trim up the ends to make them as long or short as you like. And now you're ready to heat those up and make your hanger. And bam, there's your hanging brass star from the Grit and Polish. Hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you like this video. Hope to see you on the next one.